Hello students, welcome back to our channel. This dictation is specially prepared for steno aspirants and candidates appearing for the stenotypist examination. The speed of this passage is 80 words per minute with fluctuation. Get your notebooks ready, sit comfortably, maintain proper posture and focus on accuracy along with speed. We will begin in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. In the High Court exercising writ jurisdiction, a petition was filed challenging an administrative order passed by a statutory authority imposing penalties and suspending operational licenses of a private enterprise. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the impugned order had been issued in violation of principles of natural justice, as no adequate opportunity of hearing was provided before imposition of severe consequences. Full stop. It was contended that the authority had relied upon undisclosed reports and internal communications that were never furnished to the petitioner for response or clarification. Full stop. Counsel further argued that the show cause notice preceding the impugned order was vague and failed to specify precise allegations or statutory provisions allegedly violated. Full stop. According to the petitioner, absence of detailed particulars prevented effective defense and rendered subsequent proceedings arbitrary. Arbitrary. Full stop. Reliance was placed upon constitutional guarantees ensuring fairness, transparency, and reasoned decision making by public authorities exercising quasi judicial powers. Full stop. Stanza. The petitioner asserted that administrative discretion must be exercised within the bounds of legality and procedural propriety. Full stop. In response, learned counsel representing the statutory authority submitted that the action was taken following multiple inspections and complaints received from regulatory bodies concerning safety violations and non-compliance with licensing conditions. Full stop. It was argued that urgent action was necessary to protect public interest and prevent potential harm to consumers. Full stop. The authority maintained that the petitioner had been issued repeated warnings and that the show cause notice adequately summarized allegations and provided sufficient opportunity for representation through written submissions and oral hearings. Full stop. During the course of hearing, the court examined records produced by the authority, including inspection reports, correspondence, and minutes of internal review meetings. Full stop. Questions were raised regarding whether decision making was influenced by extraneous considerations or whether findings were based upon objective material. Full stop. The court emphasized that judicial review under writ jurisdiction focused on legality of process rather than merits of administrative policy decisions, but nevertheless required adherence to procedural fairness and absence of arbitrariness. Full stop. The petitioner challenged proportionality of the penalty imposed, arguing that suspension of operations caused severe financial losses and adversely affected employees who were not responsible for alleged violations full stop. It was contended that lesser corrective measures such as warnings, fines, or conditional compliance directives could have addressed concerns without disrupting essential services full stop. The authority responded that repeated non compliance justified stringent action and that continued operation posed risks to public safety that could not be ignored. Full stop. Stanza. Arguments were advanced regarding doctrine of legitimate expectation, with the petitioner asserting that prior communications from the authority indicated willingness to allow corrective measures before imposing drastic penalties. Full stop. The petitioner claimed that sudden suspension without prior consultation violated reasonable expectations created by regulatory practice. Full stop. The authority denied existence of any binding assurance and submitted that regulatory bodies retained discretion to take immediate action where circumstances warranted urgent intervention. Full stop. Attention was drawn to procedural timelines and whether delay in issuance of the final order indicated predetermination or lack of urgency claimed by the authority. Full stop. The petitioner argued that extended internal deliberations demonstrated absence of immediate threat and undermined justification for summary action. Full stop.